Java, First Form, Part 5. Okay, in this section what we're going to do now is take the calculate button, our calculate button right here, and what we're going to do then is tie that to our different radio buttons. So that way we can pick the radio button, put our numbers in, hit calculate, and do the appropriate calculation to those numbers. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to, actually we can actually double click on calculate. So that's going to take us right here to our button action calculate performed. So what we have to do is check to see whether or not if that radio button was selected. So we're going to use an if statement. So we'll do if JRadio button 1 dot is selected. Now you notice there it's going to return a boolean. So it's going to return true if it's selected, false if it's not. And here we can call our happy little function add 2. We can do an else if JRadio button 2 dot is selected. We can call the subtract. Do another else if JRadio button 3 dot is selected. There's our multiply, and then our last one here. I'll scroll up a little farther up here on our screen. Else if JRadio and we can now call divide. Okay, now let's watch it in action. So I'll go ahead and I'll run the file. So I'll go ahead and here I'll say subtract. So we'll do maybe 100. We'll do 60. Hit calculate, and here's our answer 40. So that's how we can tie our radio buttons to our calculate button. We can simply do it here by using an if else statement, check the status whether or not it is selected, and then run our appropriate functions.